Welcome aboard, fellow adventurers, to We the Travelers, your compass to the world of exploration. Today, we're unraveling the ultimate checklist for your globe-trotting escapades. Buckle up as we unveil the top 10 travel essentials guaranteed to elevate your journey from mundane to magnificent. 1. Versatile neck gaiter. A neck gaiter can be very helpful while traveling, especially if you're visiting destinations with varying climates or engaging in outdoor activities. Transforming from a sun shield and a sweat absorber to a protective face mask from dust and cold winds with a flick, this multifaceted accessory is a must-have for every explorer. From protecting your face during scorching desert hikes to doubling up as a laptop cleaner, it's the Swiss Army knife of travel gear. 2. Multi-purpose travel towel. Light as a feather yet mighty in utility, this quick-drying wonder is your go-to companion for aquatic adventures and impromptu picnics alike. Bid farewell to bulky towels and hello to streamlined travel bliss. 3. Travel hat. Shield yourself from the sun's rays in style with a versatile travel hat. Whether strolling through bustling markets or hiking rugged trails, a trusty hat offers both protection and panache, completing your adventure-ready ensemble with flair. 4. Portable luggage scale. Say goodbye to pesky baggage fees and hello to hassle-free travels with this compact marvel. Whether you're a minimalist packing pro or a serial overpacker, this gadget ensures you'll never tip the scales at check-in again. 5. Reusable water bottle. Quench your thirst for adventure while saving the planet, one refill at a time. With collapsible or featherweight options, staying hydrated has never been more eco-friendly or convenient. 6. Universal travel adapter. Don't let incompatible plugs dim your global adventures. Stay charged and connected wherever you roam with this lifesaver that speaks the language of electricity in every corner of the world. 7. Sunglasses. Embrace the world through a lens of clarity with your faithful pair of sunglasses. From dazzling beach vistas to urban landscapes, these sleek shades not only shield your eyes from harsh glare but also add a dash of cool sophistication to every journey, ensuring you see the world in its best light. 8. Trusty pen. From customs forms to spontaneous musings, a reliable pen is the unsung hero of any traveler's toolkit. Don't leave home without this humble yet indispensable companion. Trust me, this small thing will save you so much time. 9. Plush neck pillow. Say goodbye to stiff necks and hello to sweet dreams at 30,000 feet. Whether you're jet-setting across continents or embarking on a road trip odyssey, this ergonomic marvel ensures your comfort knows no bounds. 10. Power bank. Stay connected, stay charged, stay unstoppable. With a trusty power bank by your side, you'll never miss a moment or a memory, ensuring your devices are always primed for action, no matter where the journey takes you. So there you have it, fellow wanderers, the passport to a seamless and sensational travel experience. You can links to all these amazing products in the video description. Join us on our quest to ignite the flames of wanderlust across the globe by subscribing, liking, and sharing our journey with We the Travelers. Until next time, happy trails, and may your adventures be as boundless as your imagination.